Welcome to Fact News channel. I am Faisal Hamza. Today's news is brought to you by Colombo Times. Colombo witnessed a pivotal diplomatic engagement as US Under Secretary of State for Political Affairs Alison Hooker met with Sri Lankan President Anura Kumara Dissanayake to reinforce the strategic partnership between the two nations. The discussion centered on deepening maritime cooperations, including last week's transfer of a US vessel to Sri Lanka, a move aimed at strengthening maritime security while fully respecting Sri Lanka's sovereignty. The meeting also focused on advancing economic priorities with an emphasis on trade, investment, and near-term stability. As Sri Lanka undertakes the challenging task of rebuilding after the devastation caused by Cyclone Ditwa. In a gesture of solidarity, US Ambassador Julie Chung conveyed heartfelt condolence for the lives lost in the disaster. Despite the tragedy, we look forward to a strong US-Sri Lanka partnership and is important to a free and open Indo-Pacific. Ambassador Chung affirmed, underscoring Washington's commitment to both humanitarian support and long-term regional stability.